Welcome to this comprehensive overview of EastWest Bank, also known as EastWest Banking Corporation, one of the Philippines' leading financial institutions. Whether you're already banking with EastWest or just considering opening an account, let's take a no-nonsense look at its services, terms, and policies. EastWest Bank provides a range of financial products, including savings accounts, credit cards, loans, and investment solutions. Its services are accessible through a wide network of branches and online platforms, offering convenience for both traditional and tech-savvy customers. Advantages of EastWest Bank's wide range of products. From basic savings to sophisticated investment accounts, EastWest caters to individuals, businesses, and corporations. Accessible online banking. Its digital platform offers easy fund transfers, bill payments, and account management. Competitive interest rates. Some account and loans boast competitive rates compared to other banks in the Philippines. Personalized services. The bank prides itself on customer-first policies, particularly for premium accounts. Disadvantages to consider: fees and charges. Account holders need to be cautious about maintaining minimum balances to avoid service fees. For example, the penalty for falling below the balance is 500 pesos per month. Limited branch availability outside the Philippines. While well covered locally, international services can be less robust. Loan requirements. Eligibility criteria for personal and business loans can be strict, potentially excluding many applicants. Key terms of service highlights: account opening. Minimum initial deposit requirements range from 1,000 to 50,000 pesos depending on account type. Service fees. Dormant accounts incur fees after 12 months of inactivity. ATM transactions. Free withdrawals are limited to EastWest ATMs. Using other networks costs 10 to 20 pesos per transaction. Credit card terms. Interest rates on unpaid balances are 24% per annum, with late payment fees starting at 800 pesos. EastWest Bank offers plenty of benefits for its customers, but also requires close attention to account management to avoid unnecessary fees. Its online services and diverse product offerings make it a strong contender in the banking sector. However, understanding the terms of service is crucial to avoid surprises. If this video was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more honest banking reviews, and stay informed about your financial choices.